Here's how to make page numbers Roman numerals in Google Docs. So you can easily make page numbers into Roman numerals by following these simple steps that I'm gonna show you. Make sure you watch this video till the end. So first of all, we'll go to Google Docs, and as you guys can see, I already have a a lot of pages right over here. So how do we make the pages numbers into the Roman numeral? So first of all, go to Insert and go to Page Numbers. Then select the type of page number that you want. I'm just gonna click on this one, and as you all can see, I have a number now, but it's 1. So how do I change this to Roman? First we select this and go to Insert. After that we see special characters over here. We click on it and we see a lot of symbols and arrows over here, but we can easily search up Roman on the search bar, and there we have it. I'm just gonna press on 1, and there you go, Roman number 1. To change this, to select this, and Roman number 2, change this to Roman number 3, and change this to Roman number 4. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can make page numbers from Roman numeral in Google Docs. So yeah, I hope I helped you guys out. Peace.